5 serving 2 here for Choco Mucho. Good first pass. And that is the result.
Clemente. 3.
The quick side out for Farm Fresh. A smart play.
So we are tied at 5. Short serve there. Dina. Pretty open for Laure, who puts it down.
Laure.
Better reception, and that was coming from Mari Madayag.
Alohi had to adjust. Jolina De La Cruz is inside and makes her presence felt right away.
You know, Jolina De La Cruz, at the start of this conference, she came off the bench, earned a starting.
Lesser faults at this point because this is definitely a crucial point in time for the Flying Titans and the Foxies. Back to you, Jaime and Jamie.
Thank you, Lexi, for your report. We just love the confidence that Aya Laure exudes for the Choco Mucho Flying Titans. And you are right, Lexi, this is the longest she's played in a game since Aya is in Choco Mucho, but you could see she's more composed in this game. She's not reacting her usual reactions that we are used to seeing, Jaime.
1-point game, back row, Aya Laure. Via another good floor defense there. Cici on attack mode.
Set number 3, still serving Dina Wong.
Back with Molina.
That's outside.
Down the line and
Untouched, going outside.
Alohi, pinabawi si Molina.
Perfect.
Perfection on the dig for Ponce. Rondina is denied. That's over. Dina had to adjust. Rondina flying in. Practically a chance here for Choco Mucho. Back to Rondina with the off speed. Alohi saving that one. Tolentino now going behind. Counter, Jolina De La Cruz. And we have ourselves a rally. 3 ball for Choco Mucho. Tolentino neutralized by De La Cruz. Jolina will attack. Ponce was there. Cici Rondina. La Rosa was there.
Ooh, that's too tight.
Back to Cici.
Regalo.
Money.
Rondina. 15 to 11.
A long exchange.
Rondina.
Jolina De La Cruz. 2-man wall. Sending it back.
Farm Fresh needs to take care of.
That's a tough back set. Tubu
Tubu hits the line.
gets it in. Another great set by Alohi.
Let's see this. Yes, clearly inside.
The ball is clearly in.
Dina trying Pecanya for that one. Tubu challenging the double block. It's sent back. Molina will send it over, and a chance now for Choco Mucho. Tolentino finding the opening. Tolentino has been the hot hand.
Tolentino, the hand of Molina.
No, and I like.
We tried the slide. The Guzman was denied. Jolina, another chance. Back row for Cici Rondina with a cherry bomb special.
22.
Good reception by Madi.
Rondina
Jeez.
Dina.
high in the sky.
It's Choco Mucho
4 set
at
points.
set point.
Molina,
Wow.
great dig
Aya.
for Laure. Cici using her left hand, saved by Ces. Quickly to Riri. Now it's Viray. Louis sending it to the back row for Galang. Rondina with a last-second save and a chance here for Farm Fresh. Meneses.
Choco Mucho. Good pickups by Aya in that sequence.
Viray looking to finish. That is good for Kate Viray.
Choco Mucho